Your mind is your most powerful tool, but most people never learn how to use it. If you can reprogram the way you think, you can completely change your reality. In this video, I'm going to share 5 simple habits that helped me rewire my mindset for success, and they can do the same for you. Hello everyone, welcome back to Success with Ashadiee. If you're new here, this channel is all about unlocking your potential, building confidence, mastering your mindset, and creating a life you're proud of. Let's get into it. The way you start your day sets the tone for everything that follows. Some people wake up and immediately grab their phone, checking messages, scrolling, reacting to the world. Now, the first 10 minutes of your day should belong to you. You should take a deep breath, stretch, and ask yourself one question. What kind of person do I want to be today? That single moment of intention programs your mind to lead the day instead of just surviving it. Our brains love repetition. Writing down your goals every morning and every night reminds yourself what to focus on. When you start journaling your goals daily, not just big dreams, but how you want to feel, your actions will naturally start to align with them. It's not about wishing, it's about wiring your brain for focus and direction. We all have that inner voice that says, "You're not ready," or "You'll mess up." Here's the truth. Your brain listens to you more than anyone else. Every time you catch yourself saying something negative, stop and reframe it. Instead of, "I can't do this," say, "I'm learning how to do this." Over time, your self-talk becomes your self-image. Every night, visualize yourself succeeding, finishing that project, delivering that speech, or just feeling proud. Visualization activates the same parts of the brain as real experience. So when the real moment comes, your brain feels prepared, like it's already been there. That's why top athletes and entrepreneurs use visualization regularly. Your environment is either programming you or empowering you. Remember to be intentional about what you consume. Podcasts, YouTube videos, even the people you talk to. If something doesn't feed your growth, you should limit it. The truth is, success is contagious. Surround yourself with it, and your mindset will evolve naturally. So, those are the 5 habits that completely can change how you think, act, and live. Remember, your mind is always being programmed, either by you or by the world. Choose to take control. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and comment below which habit you're going to start today. And if you haven't already, check out my last video on how to master public speaking, because once you master your mind, the next step is mastering your message. Thanks for watching, and remember, success starts in the mind.
Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and click the bell to get more videos. Bye! We'll see you on the next episode!